Myntri ka Civil Defense and Homeguard ka Sarkar Jala ubak kumingwan umban hakas ngibalang ulay tu ubala kumno nadu ubanay banwan kilaban sedangno ekajing penrungkam haka tnad Homeguard. Habakran bat kilat patay kubor Myntri ula Pyntip bahadin bakiladep ya ka physical test kinsa petengpat saya ka written test. Kat kum gaji tu da Myntri kilan borok kumba saus patam teligi kambalait haki kardan beper lakalong nadu ka kardan SI hadu kilang rut.
See the current status of the recruitment of the Kumba department. We're planning now. All the process we completed. I think by the month of September we'll start the recruitment process. Maybe the physical test and all. And after this physical test, they will do the written examination. So after that, I think we will try to expedite. Within this year, we will complete everything. Post is around 400 something. Different categories. SI post, constable, all this, including I think maybe around 400 something. As of now, there is no salary pending, nothing. We're trying to fulfill all the salaries and all of this. Means even this for this volunteer home guard. No, you see this volunteer home guard. These people after they complete the training, the police department like traffic police, they ask the home guard department to send some. Maybe they need 100 numbers of home guard volunteer training. Then we send like that. The fund and everything is come from the police department only, not from the home guard department. After they getting the sanction, then we deploy the home guard volunteers to the police department. I think you understand the difference. Volunteer home guards mean a temporary one, not contractual, not a permanent. Is a permanent post. Volunteers mean volunteer. This volunteer is a contractual only. Suppose if the police department ask me, as of now, no need this volunteer, they have to terminate it. We put 10% for this home guard volunteer as a quota, 10% for them, and the rest every duty they can compete. We're trying to do in the transparency. I already asked my officer we should do the transparency. No need to do this fires and all.